In today's lesson, we are going to talk about collocations or word partners. Coming up. Hello and welcome to English State. It is Sam here. I bring you the best tips and useful lessons to learn English language. So if you like our content, please subscribe to English State channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss anything. So, what is collocations? If you want to use a word naturally, you will need to learn the other words that often go with it. And that can be different from language to language. For example, we say in English, I missed the bus. It means I didn't catch the bus. We don't say I lost the bus. She made a mistake. Not she did a mistake. He is a heavy smoker. For someone who smokes a lot. It was a serious illness, not a big illness or a strong illness. The meaning of these examples can be clear. But did you know that these following verbs and nouns go together? For example, start the car means turn on the engine. Start a family, it's like when you think about having your first child. We say tell a story, tell the truth, tell a lie. Miss a person when you are unhappy because when someone is not there. You miss a lesson if you don't come to a lesson. Common adjectives often combine with a wide range of nouns. Strong coffee versus weak coffee. We say a soft drink when we don't mean alcoholic drink. A strong accent in the opposite of a slight accent. Hard work means hard physically or mentally work. A great success means very successful. Heavy traffic means a lot of cars. Heavy rain when it's raining a lot. For more clarification, look at these examples. I can't understand his English because he has such a strong accent. It was hard working organizing the conference, but I think it was a great success. You always get heavy traffic during the rush hour. By the way, rush hour is a time during each day when traffic is at its heaviest, like 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. In these following examples, all the adverbs mean very, but we choose to use them with certain adjectives. And you could still use very in all these examples if you like. I was terribly sorry to hear about your accident. He is highly unlikely to come now. I mean, I am almost sure he won't come. She is fully aware of the problem means she knows all about the problem. These are some English word partners. I will leave you more in the description box below. Also, the links of the previous videos. I hope you guys like the video. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to tell your friends about our channel. This is Sam from English State. See you in the next video.